Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get booking.com documents, confirmation, invoices, and payment proof. So all you have to do is of course head over to booking.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on your profile icon and profile name, then click on bookings and trips. This will get you to the bookings and trips page, and all you have to do is click on the specific booking that you have. This will then redirect you to a more detailed view of your booking, and all you have to do is click on the three dot icon beside your booking, then click on View Booking. And from here, all you have to do is click on Print Confirmation. This will let you get access to your booking.com documents, confirmation, invoices, and payment proof. And to start your download, just click on the English version button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!